Hi guys, my name is Jose Blanca, the founder and CEO of HoliFit. I'm also an author, holistically fit, and I've been a personal trainer since 2007 dun sa Canada and ngayon nandito sa Pilipinas. Bumalik ako dito 2017. And I want to share some tips with you guys as a fitness coach with over a decade of experience, almost 2 decades now actually, tumatandaan na ako, on how you can increase your income. Been there, done that, helped coaches under me sa team ko, grew a business from zero money. I was broke when I moved back to the Philippines. And it's been proven that this will work. So, ito yung mga tips ko sa inyo. So, yung unang tip is increase your rates. So, obviously, gagawin mo lang yan pag fully booked ka na. Huwag mo naman increase yung rates kung hindi ka pa fully booked. Ang weird naman ng tunog na yun. So, it's obviously a supply and demand thing, right? The more demand, pwede mo taasan yung, bumababa yung supply mo of your free time, kumbaga, and that's why you can increase your rates. How else can you increase your rates besides being fully booked? Kumuha ka ng maraming certification, i-apply mo siya, right? And that's why, kunwari sabihin ng client, kunwari si JL yung client. Si JL, short for John Lloyd. Kamuha ko baka niya si John Lloyd Cruz, by the way. Enter, John Lloyd, lagay mo yung photo mo dito, ha? Siya yung editor ko. I love this guy. And ayun, kunwari puno na yung schedule mo, right? Konti lang yung certs mo, sabihin natin, certifications, right? Sir, ma'am, tataas ko na yung rates ko po in the next 2 or 3 months. So, pwede ka mag-renew ngayon habang mababa pa yung rate ko, ganito yung rate ko. Or pwede ka mag-renew kung mag-renew ka pag tumaas na yung rates ko or pag ubos na yung sessions mo, whichever comes first. By the way, guys, yung sessions, you wanna sell packages based on the results, not, oh, bili ka ng 10 sessions, bili ka ng 20 sessions. Hindi ganun eh. You wanna sell results, not sessions, okay? Do not sell personal training sessions, guys, please. Kasi they're not paying for training sessions with you. They're paying for results. It just happens to be na yung sessions ay yung vehicle to get the results, right? The more sessions they have with you, ideally, obviously, the more or the faster results will come eventually, okay? So yun. So that's one way. Second is, kunwari, dami mo na certifications, right? That's called certs from now on. Short for certification. Dami mo ng certs. Ayan, sabi mo, hi, I invested, 50,000 sa certification ito yung diploma ko or whatever certification, whatever, yung papel na yun. So, in the next, syempre, ayaw mong ibigay na tumaas ka agad, right? You give them enough time to think about investing ulit. Mag-renew sila sa mga sessions mo. Kung gusto nila, mag-renew sila sa more higher rate. It's up to them. But at least binigyan mo sila ng enough time to decide to think about it, right? No pressure. So that's another thing, guys. Huwag tayong magbenta na hard sell. Kasi that's the worst thing I've ever done. Nagawa ko na yun before. And, I'm not perfect, right? It happened. And it's the worst feeling kasi nabentahan ko siya, na hard sell ko siya. Mali yung mentor ko, mali yung boss ko na dapat bentahan lahat. And because of those 10 sessions or 1 month kami nag-train, ang pangit na feeling, parang halatang galit siya sa akin, pero napilitan siya mag-train sa akin. Alright? So, sell with integrity, guys. So, yung unang tip was increase your rate. The second would be add fitness classes. So, kunwari, dollars is ako, but sabihin na natin, sige, fine, pesos. You charge 100 pesos per session, right? 1 hour. Puno na yung araw mo, right? You're training 10 hours a day, hindi mo na kaya. Sobrang dami ng hours, pagod ka na. Like, umuwi ka lang para lang matulog, kumain, tapos back to work. Hirap nun, diba? So, gusto mo na taasin yung rates mo, pero hindi ka pa ready dun. What you can do is stop accepting clients, alright? And kasabihan dyan is you're trading dollars for hours. So, if you want to make, X amount of dollars, you have to do X amount of hours. So, kunwari, if you charge 100 pesos and you want to make 1,000 pesos a day, kunwari lang, that means you have to work 10 hours, hindi ba? Now, you're trading dollars for hours or pesos for hours. Now, if you want to still make 1,000 pesos a day, but you want to work half, 5 hours na lang, how do you do that? You increase your rate to 200 pesos a day or session. Tama? Pero yun nga, walang kumakagat, ang mahal masyado. So what you do is you charge clients. What you do is you start having fitness classes. Kunwari, you're training, you can start doing small group training. So instead of 100 pesos an hour, magiging 200 pesos an hour, but you're training 5 people. 200 divided by 5, that's 40 pesos each. Tama ba yung math ko? 200, tama ba? 200 divided by 5 clients. That's 40 pesos each. So now each client will actually pay less. Obviously, it's not one-on-one personal training. Pero dahil dyan, you have 5 hours a day to make 1,000 pesos at 200 pesos per hour because of this small group training session. Obviously, it will be harder to get a lot of clients to pay or do group training, right? But at least 1 hour na sa yun. Right? 1 hour a day group training ka. 8 clients ka na paying you 100 pesos. That's 800. Tapos 1 hour of that will be 200 pesos per hour kasi yun nga, small group training. So now you're working 9 hours but still making that 1,000 pesos a day. So yun yung second tip ko. Start offering small group or parang bootcamp style. Instead of small group, mga 5 lang sila. Bootcamp style can be 10 clients, paying 20 pesos each. 200 pesos pa rin yan per hour. All right? That's the next tip. All right, so the third tip here is offering webinars or workshops. So medyo sometimes people think medyo scammy yung mga webinars or workshops. But this I like. Lalo pag online courses is the medyo scammy vibes. But if you offer webinars where you make it into parang support system. Kunwari, si JL, hirap na hirap siya. Paano ba yung half race? Ang hirap ganito, ganun. So may support system ka for people like JL, Wax, Jose, Keith, whoever it is, right? Or the female clients. Every week may webinar ka and nagsusupport ka sa kanila. So this is actually a cheaper version. Kunwari, they can't afford you as a personal trainer one-on-one. This is parang a lower entry level. Mas affordable sa mga tao na gusto ka nilang kunin as a personal trainer, as a fitness coach, pero hindi nila afford yung hourly rate mo. And if you have enough numbers, you can actually earn more here. Kasi yun nga, for me, I've been doing it for so long, napapagod ako na puro personal training lang. So this adds variety, right? So you do personal training, small group training. You can do workshops where you right, this month, let's talk about macros and counting calories. Next month, let's talk about progressive overload. It may be. Iba-iba siya. Okay? So that is another thing that you can do, which is workshops or webinars as a form of support system. The next tip is tip number 4, which is selling complementary products or services. This actually really helped me during that time. So one of the coaches said to me, do you want to earn more money without doing more work? So, syempre, of course. Pero ayoko ng scam, ha? Ayoko maging scammer. So, what he told me was, start selling supplements. So, for a guy like me in their 30s or 20s, gusto na maging mas malaking katawan, I started offering supplements. Drop shipping, uso pa yun dati. So, every month, mapapadalan sila ng supplements sa bahay nila. Whey protein, BCAAs, creatine, whatever it may be. Every month, kailangan mo i-consume to. And may commission ako dahil dun. Alright? So, that's how easily you can do it. Alright? If it's someone who wants to lose weight or fat loss, babae, iba naman yung supplements na kailangan niya. Multivitamins, whatever it may be. Pero the point there is they have to take it every day. Pwede rin meals if you don't believe in supplements. Alright? Meal prep. Papadala mo. You partner with a meal prep company if you can't do the meal prep yourself. And super simple lang siya kasi subscription na siya. So once you have those clients, mas madali na siyang gawin. So that is the 4th tip right there. Try to sell supplementary products or services like supplements, maybe clothes. Alam ko, Gymshark, you can offer a discount din yata or something. Or baka para sa mga influencers lang yan, mga affiliate programs. Yung mga ganun. Home gym, you can set up a home gym for them. I've done that before. We also sold fitness equipment dati as a company, right? But before that, I also sold fitness equipment. I partnered with a home gym supplier and he gave me a commission. So yun, don't feel limited lang guys na dapat puro training lang ginagawa mo. Alright, and the last tip, which is tip number 5, is selling exercise programs. So, ito yung one of the pinakamura. Kunwari, gustong-gusto, they really want to work with you pero estudyante siya or fresh grad siya, wala siyang budget for personal training or hiring you as a fitness coach. Kasi mahal yun. Yun yung pinaka top tier. Tapos pwede small group training or boot camps. Tapos pwede yung monthly support system. Tapos ito yung pinaka entry level. Alright? Every month, you give them an exercise program. Okay, fitness test tayo. Alright, these are your results, your inches, your PR, your body weight, body fat, ganun. Based on that, this is the exercise program you need to do. Sundan mo to. I'll see you next month, and then we'll go through what you did for that month. Next month, makita mo yung exercise program na, yung food journal na, whatever it may be. You tweak it. Sabihin mo, okay, that looks good, pero dapat ganito, ganun. Tweak natin yan. Alright, continue on your own. Ganun. Next month, you come see them again. You see if they lost weight, gained weight, whatever their fitness goals are, and then you tweak the program again. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, all right, guys, those were 5 tips as a fitness coach on how you can actually increase your income. So, ulitin ko lang, don't feel like yun lang yung pwede mo gawin. Train ng clients. May iba pang paraan. You just have to be creative, guys. And if you want to learn more, guys, leave me a message. Tell me topics na gusto mong pag-usapan natin. Yeah. Reach out if you want me to coach you. I'll be happy to do a group coaching. Wala pa akong one-on-one coaching because I have a few businesses I'm running right now, but I would love to help fitness coaches be a true solopreneur. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video. The more people see this, the more people I can help. That's one of my passions, helping fitness entrepreneurs grow their business here in the Philippines. Thanks.